I was given a chance to do a pictorial with one of everybody's trusted brands, Natasha. This time it is for the holiday campaign of their fragrances and beauty products. Guys, photoshoot po tayo today para sa Natasha catalog, para doon sa Christmas season. So, yun, ito naka-red ako. Kanina meron pa akong ito, hat ni Santa. So, ayun.
Dozens of clothes, 14 layouts for Natasha. Ang gagawin is for their holiday and yun, Christmas ang theme nila. The-require ng Natasha are the reds, anything with parang party feel or holiday feel. Meron siyang gagawin for perfumes din na layout. Mixed ito, pero the bulk of the layout is on mga makeup, on their makeup line. So, important yung details on the shoulder or the neckline, so ganun. Basta basically, ang direction is holiday glam party. And I'm really honest about this. Wala akong makikitang ere. It's like working with a model. Kasi a professional model is very easy to work with. Mabilis ka trabaho, madaling kausap. Yun yung professional model mga, di ba? 5'9", ganyan, 5'11", 5'10", ganong height. But this person, celebrity siya. Kumbaga diva, we call her, di ba, yun, kumbaga big time na siya. Pero, hindi mo mararamdaman when you work with her. I think that's a big difference. I work also with other celebrities, and you can really feel, although siya, mapifeel mo yung presence na, wow, ma-overwhelm ka na. It's Sarah Geronimo, but she's very friendly. She's like an ordinary girl. Makakausap mo, mababaw. Ang kaliyan, tatawa din. Ganun, mabait. So, I think, kasi yung pagkabait niya talaga sa loob, baka yun yung lumalabas. I think, yun yung, she's may innate, genuine yung kanyang personality. Meron po kami shoot with Sarah. So yung concept po namin ngayon is holiday, Christmas holiday. Bale, shiny scenery siya. So, ang naglalarong kulay, pinaglaruan po namin yung kulay na white tsaka red. So, yun po. So, nakikita niyo. As endorser, feeling ko po, effective po talaga siya kasi nakikita po namin sa feedback sa ano namin, sa catalog namin, maraming po talagang bumibili. Effective po siya. Sa tingin ko po kasi, in a sense, yung personality niya, tapos maganda po talaga yung parang effect niya po sa tao. Siguro kasi, mabait siya towards other people. Tapos hindi siya masyadong, down to earth sa trabaho. Kaya yan. Kaya po.
Ano mga favorite ko na? Actually, lahat po. Kasi, mula dun sa light and fresh lang yung makeup hanggang sa naging heavy at saka glammed up na look. Gusto ko lahat ng looks na ginawa namin for the photoshoot.
Babati po ko ng isang maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon sa Parstar Diaries.